Ready salted?
No.
Oh. Squares?
No.
What's this?
Yes. I had to break one up because it was too big. And I've got a tiny one. That was a big one.
What's this?
No.
Squares?
No. It's...
Walkers? Plain crisps?
Yes.
Yes.
Are you thinking that?
Thank you. Plain crisps?
No.
What's this?
No.
Squares?